Drawings are still a key deliverable for most design teams, and SolidWorks 2013 provides lots of enhancements that will help you create high-quality drawings. First, just like notes and dimensions, center lines can now be assigned to specific layers. Upon insertion, they're ready to go. No more presetting the current layer or changing them afterwards. These layers are controlled in the document properties and can be specified separately for center lines and center marks. When you need to change the layer of an entity, it's now much easier with a dedicated toolbar button, which is also available in the right mouse menu. A pop-up appears which allows you to quickly change the layer and also gives you access to the Layer Properties dialog. Notice that the precision on the tolerance of this dimension is quite high, which can drive up the cost to machine this pocket. You now have the option to link the precision of the dimension and tolerance with the model, which ensures that changes are reflected in both places. When it comes to breaking dimensions that cross each other, like these 3 diameter dimensions, you now can control whether to break extension lines, dimension leaders, or both. As you can see, the dimension leaders do not get broken, enabling you to meet your company's standards. It's often necessary to add a note below a GD&T control frame, and this can now be accomplished in the GD&T Properties dialog. This way, the dimension leader is broken properly and the note stays attached to the control frame. Speaking of notes, you can now directly zoom and pan using the scroll wheel while you're in the note editing mode. This makes it much easier to pull in other elements such as dimensions to complete your note. Borders around notes have been enhanced to allow the user to add padding, and individual text elements have the same border padding control as well. We've long had the ability to drag table borders to change a column width, but I'm sure that you will appreciate that now the row automatically adjusts to the proper height before and after the adjustment. When importing model items, there's a new option to import only dimensions that have tolerances, which is important for users that use model-based definition but rely on drawings for only core specifications. When working with radius dimensions, smart leader arrows are automatically applied to the outside of the arc and stay outside when the text is repositioned. In SolidWorks 2013, a new document property is available to attach smart arrows so that they point away from the dimension, no matter where the text is positioned. This new option will mean much less user interaction to get that perfect drawing for production. Finally, a new option for baseline dimensions allows you to easily add to the baseline stack. The added dimensions are automatically arranged in the stack, and if the default spacing does not suit your needs, the auto-arrange tools are now available in the dimension palette. With these new drawing capabilities for SolidWorks 2013, you're certain to detail your designs faster and better meet your company's standards.